Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Welcome to Cinnamon and Honey Reborn Nursery. I just recently started my channel, so I would appreciate if you guys can like and subscribe. I'll be unboxing reborn babies that I receive, that I order from different artists all over. And then I will also be trying my hand at painting reborn babies. So here she is. The box looks kind of small, but I hope she's in there correctly. Okay, so I took a ton of tape off of it earlier because she had put so much tape on here, which I appreciate, but I don't want you guys to have to sit through this whole tape procedure. So I just left one little piece down the middle. Let's see here. Now, I think she said it comes with an outfit. I'm not sure. I think she said she came with one outfit. I did get this doll from eBay from an artist, and it's my first reborn, so I'm super excited. So here we have a little glimpse in the box on top, and we'll put this over here. So this little girl, she is a girl, and her name is Reborn. Reborn, a Summer Rain. So if you're familiar with the kit, this is a super sweet kit, like a really nice kit. And I wanted her for a while, and I just never pulled the trigger and bought a reborn baby until now. So I'm super excited to see what's in the box. I'm hoping it's not a video gone wrong like some of them. Okay, what is this? So this nursery is called Grandma's Forever Baby Nursery. And she sent some care instructions, and she said, congratulations on your new baby. She said, you have chosen a high quality artist reborn baby from Grandma's Forever Babies. If properly cared for, your baby will bring many years of joy to you and yours. Most importantly, the baby should be handled gently. So it just says keep away from heat. I do appreciate them putting these instructions in here because it does help as a first-time reborn mom. It does help me to know how to care for this little girl properly. So I do appreciate when they do that. That is something extra. So this is her little birth certificate, has her kit name on there, Summer Rain. Also has that she was born on 4/8/2022. She's 19.5 inches long and 4 pounds 0 ounces. So she sent this really cute little birth certificate and the COA. Oh, look, she has a little bitty pacifier holder. It's going to be super cute. I will move this up a little bit so you can see. Okay. Oh, she's cute. Okay, so we have that little toy. I'm going to do this pretty quickly because I'm excited to get to the baby. So this is a Easter opening. So she is going to be, the lady told me that she would be Easter themed. Look at this sweet little Easter dress. Oh no. And it's by Little Last Baby, and it is newborn size. She did tell me she wears newborn size. So, oh, this is so sweet. She's gonna wear this on Easter this weekend. Oh my God, so cute. Okay, moving on. Okay, looks like she put a little sleeper in here. Oh, that's cute. More rabbits, more Easter, and this little headband to go with it. Oh, she's gonna look so sweet in that. Look. Oh my God, I hope that she did a good job. I'm so nervous. I'm so sorry, y'all. I am nervous because I've seen some that didn't turn out so great. Some videos that weren't as great as expected. So she looked great in the pictures, and hopefully she looks as good in real life or even better. So I did ask her, oh, look, she's got some little headbands, a pink one, yellow, a pink one, and a little like minty green one. And then I did ask her to put a magnet in her head, which she was super nice to add for me after I already purchased it. And she sent these 2 little bows that will go on the magnet in her head. Oh, so cute. What else is in here? Okay, are you ready? Let's get to the baby. This is how she's in here. She's kind of in a fetal position, no pun intended. Okay, I get her out gently, very gently, so nothing happens. Okay, with throw this over here. We'll throw these scissors over here. We'll move this a little bit. Here we go. Okay, let's see. Oh, don't show her face. I don't want to see it yet. I want to save that for last because being my first reborn, oh, look at the little feet, little legs. Oh, her outfit is so sweet. It has little bunny rabbits on it. Let's try to take this off and see if we can see her details, see what kind of job she did, because I'm not familiar with this artist. Like I said, she is from eBay, but she does have several babies for sale. Oh, look at you. Look at you. Look at her little feet. She got perfect little veins going through them. Her nails are nicely painted. Oh, and she does have the little pinprick from the hospital. Oh, she did a great job. Yeah, the color is beautiful. The veining is nice. It's not too much, not too little, not too heavy. Oh, look. She has this sweet little cardigan sweater. I'm going to go ahead and take this little sweater off of her so we can see her arms. Oh, let's see what she looks like under here. All these cute little clothing. Oh, look at her. Look at her little arm. That's just perfect. Oh, she's just perfect. Her little nails. Oh, I'm super happy with her so far. So, oh, I don't know. I don't want to do it yet. This is so exciting. Okay. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, she's so cute. Oh my God, look at her. It doesn't even do her justice. Like her color, she's a real nice beigey color. Oh, hi. Yeah. Oh my gosh. You're perfect. You're a perfect girl. Okay, hold on. Let's put our sweater back on. She's probably cold. It's a little chilly here today. We live up in the mountains of California and it's super cold. Oh, look at her. Look at her hair. Wow, her hair is painted perfectly. I'm going to take this off just so we can see her hair a little better. She did a great job on the hair. Oh, she did a great job. Oh, so good. Let's see how the little bow works. Let's see. She put one on each side of the head. So, oh no, look at her. Oh, yeah, right there. There you go. Oh, look. Look. Oh, she is just the sweetest girl. She is so beautiful. I am so happy with my first reborn. I'm so happy. I'm not gonna lie, I was nervous. I was nervous that she's not gonna look sweet. Let me, we'll take this out. Did she come with, I thought she came with a pacifier. Oh, it's on the toy. Okay, I got you. Okay, let's see how her magnet works. Get up there. I don't know about this little animal thing. Here you go. I'll move the camera so you guys can see a little better. Here you go. Oh, hi. Hi, pretty girl. And she is just perfect. Like, she literally looks so realistic. This artist did a great job with her. I love this kit, Summer Rain. A lot of people do it in a lot of different ways, and it was just gorgeous the way she did it. She's so pretty. She's asleep. Okay, so what I want to do is pick her up. So she is so perfect, though. I'm so happy with her. But look how sweet she is. She's just perfect. She's a perfect size, too. Oh, she wears little newborn clothes. And she's my Easter baby. And I am going to name her Willow. Willow Rose. So I think that's pretty fitting for her. I saw her picture the lady posted, the artist posted, and she looked like a willow to me. And I was wondering when I got her if she would still look like a willow, and she does. So her name is Willow Rose, and she's just adorable. She's the sweetest little baby. Oh my goodness. So here she is. Here she is. Yeah, let's get her covered up. Let's see here. Oh, can't wait to do some outfit changes on this girl. All right. Yeah, get your binky. There you go. There you go. Oh, she's sweet. Well, she's going to take a little nap, and then later I'll do some little outfit changes on her. But I'm just super happy with her, and thank you guys for sharing this first box opening with me. I really appreciate it, and thank you guys so much. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe, and there'll be more videos to come. So I'll see you guys around. Thank you. Bye-bye.